Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Land Rover Defender key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR2032 battery, which is a common 3-volt coin cell, and a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. This simple DIY task can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. The first step is to access the internal components. Look for a small black button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and then you can slide out the metal emergency key blade. This blade is not only for manual entry, but also serves as a handy tool for the next step in opening the fob. Now, use the emergency key blade or your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Try to avoid touching the battery's surface with your fingers to prevent any oils from shortening its lifespan. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and snap them back together until they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working as it should. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.